Hello everyone. Welcome back to Concept Wise Learning Hub. Students, have you ever wondered why a small tea shop, a supermarket, Amazon, and even a multinational company are called a business? What exactly makes an activity a business? Is every money earning activity a business? In today's class, we will learn the meaning of business, its features, characteristics, and objectives in a very simple and exam oriented manner. This topic is extremely important for plus 1 commerce students and frequently appears in examination. So watch this video till the end. So let's begin. Our first topic is what is business? Students, let me ask you a simple question. Suppose you bake a cake at home and eat it with your family. Is that a business? No. Now imagine you bake cakes every day and sell them to customers to earn income. Now it becomes a business. So, what is a business? Business refers to an economic activity carried out regularly with the objective of earning profit through the production, purchase, or sale of goods and services. In simple words, business means providing goods or service to customers and earn profit in return. Business can deal with goods or services. Goods, what is a good? Goods is a physical product such as clothes, furniture, food item or mobile phone, etc. Services. Services are the activities provided to customers such as banking, insurance, transport, education, etc. So remember this simple formula. Business equal to regular activity plus exchange plus profit. This definition is very important for examination. Next we will discuss when does an activity become a business. Not every activity is a business. Three important conditions must be satisfied. First one is regularity. The second one is exchange of value and the third one is profit motive. We can grow deeper in the first point, regularity. What is regularity? The activity must happen continuously. Example, a grocery shop opens every day. That is business. Selling our old bicycle once is not a business. The next point is exchange of value. There must be buying and selling. Goods or service must be exchanged for money. For example, a tailor stitching clothes for customers and receiving payment. The next point is profit motive. The primary objective should be to earn profit. Without a profit motive, the activity cannot be considered as business. For example, teaching poor children free of cost is a noble activity, but it is not a business because profit is not the objective. Let's understand with examples. The first one is a stationery shop. A shopkeeper purchases notebooks, pens, and pencils from her wholesaler. He sells them to students. The difference between the purchase price and the selling price becomes his profit. Since the activity is regular and profit oriented, it is a business. We will check the second example, that is a bicycle factory. A factory purchases raw materials. Workers manufacture bicycle. The bicycle are sold in the market. The company earn profit from sales. Therefore, it is a business activity. Whenever you are confused, ask yourself, is it a regular? Is there any exchange? Is there profit motive? If the answer is yes, it is a business. Students, Here is an easy trick for exam. Remember REP. R for regularity. The activity happens continuously. E for exchange. Buying and selling taking place. And P for profit motive. The aim is to earn profit. Think of it like this. REP equal to real business. Whenever you see a question asking whether an activity is business or not, apply the REP rule. If even one element is missing, it may not become a business. Now, let us discuss the important characteristics. First one is economic activity. Business is performed to earn income. The second point is production or procurement. Goods are either produced or purchased for resale. The third one is sale or exchange. Goods and services must be exchanged for value. The fourth is regular dealings. Business activities happen continuously. Next characteristic is profit earning objective. Profit is a reward for business effort. Without profit, a business cannot survive. The next one is uncertainty of returns. There is no guarantee of fixed income. Some months may bring high profit and other months may bring low profit. Element of risk. Every business faces risk. Customer preference may change, competition may increase, natural disaster may occur. All these things can be the reason for risk. The next point is investment requirements. Capital is required. Even a small tea shop needs some investment. The next is satisfaction of human wants. Business exists to satisfy human needs and wants. Next topic is objectives of business. Many students think business exists only for profit. This is not completely correct. Modern business has four major objectives. First one is economic objectives, second one is social objectives, third one is human objectives, and fourth one is national objectives. Let's understand each one in detail. Economic objectives. Economic objectives are focused on ensuring the financial health and competitive strength of a business, and it includes earning profit. Profit helps business survive and grow. Next is creating customer. Without customers, there is no business. Therefore, business focus on customer satisfaction. The next one is innovation. Business continuously improve products and services. For example, smartphones are becoming better every year because of innovation. Next is social and human objective. Social objective. Business should provide quality product, charge fair prices for the products, avoid black marketing. They have to create employment opportunity and they have to support the society. Then next is human objective. Business should care for employees. This include fair wages, safe working condition, training and development. Happy employees improve business performance. Next is national objective. Business also contribute to national development. The first one include increase national wealth. Producing more goods and services helps economic growth. The next point is self-reliance. Encouraging local production reduces dependency on imports. The next point is it supports weaker section. Businesses can contribute to rural development and small industries. Students, I hope this session helped you to understand the meaning, characteristics and objectives of business in a simple way. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Concept Wise Learning Hub. Clear concepts for smarter study. Thank you for watching. See you in next class.